After opening new Canva project, go to uploads, and after uploading your images, let's drag the first one, adjust the size and remove the background. Go to edit, adjust, decrease the brightness and increase the contrast, and download this image as PNG. Just delete this one, upload the new one, and drop the image that you want to use as a background. These two images should have the same resolution. Go to apps and type blend image. Choose this one. Click in this one first. Use it in top layer. Click in this one. Use it in bottom layer. Go to blend mode and choose screen. Click add to design. Adjust the size to cover all the page and bring the first image and place it in the top. Remove the background. Go to apps and type image blender. Choose this one and choose linear. If it's not clickable, just click radial and go back to linear and adjust these points like this and decrease the strength and click save. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.